In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to check purchase history on McDonald's app. Let's get started. First, launch your McDonald's app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now head over to orders page. Now select the order history option or recent orders or similar option depending on your app version and country. Here you will see a list of your previous McDonald's purchases made while signed into your account. Tap on any order to view more details. You can see the items you ordered, the total amount paid, the date and time of the purchase, the restaurant location, your order number, and in some reasons a digital receipt. If you don't see your purchase history, make sure you are signed in with the same McDonald's account you used to place your orders. Orders placed as a guest or through a different account may not appear in your history. If you're still unable to find your past order, check your email for the order confirmation or receipt. You can also contact McDonald's customer support or the restaurant where you placed the order if you need additional assistance. And that's how you can easily check purchase history on McDonald's app. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.